Hello बच्चों, let's see the question. Give an example of two irrational whose sum is rational. So first of all हम यहाँ पे की concept लिख लेते हैं जो हम इस question में use करेंगे. Key concept is irrational number are irrational numbers. irrational numbers वो numbers हैं जिनको हम ratio में represent नहीं कर सकते. That is irrational number. It cannot be represented by the real number, cannot be represented in ratio, is called irrational number. It is in decimal form and the rational number is the real number can be represented in ratio, that is P upon Q, where Q is not is equals to 0. This is rational number. So हमने यहाँ पे सबसे पहले examples लेनी है two irrational number की. So irrational numbers are 2 plus 3 root 5 is irrational number. Irrational numbers. And the second is 3 minus 3 root 5. अब इन दोनों का जो सम है वो एक रैशनल नंबर हो सकता है, ये हमने बताना है. तो इन दोनों को ऐड करेंगे. adding these numbers is equals to 2 plus 3 root 5 plus 3 minus 3 root 5. So 3 root 5 minus 3 root 5 is cancelled. So here is 3 plus 2 is 5. It can be represented by 3 upon 1. This is P upon Q form where Q is not is equals to 0. So ये हमारे पास क्या है, एक रैशनल नंबर की एग्जाम्पल है जिसके दो इरेशनल नंबर्स का जो सम है वो क्या आया है, रैशनल नंबर. So this is the example. By using the key concept, irrational number are those numbers where real number cannot be represented in the ratio, and the rational number are those number in which real numbers can be represented in ratios, that is P upon Q, where Q is not is equals to 0. I hope you understood well. Best of luck. Thank you.